What is going on, everyone? Today I'm gonna show you a brand new method on Bonk.fun. Why I'm choosing this launchpad especially is because right now more than 80% of launches, the alpha plays are coming from Bonk, and it is like a great opportunity to create something on Bonk, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. But I'm gonna look at it on really different aspect, because doing a regular launch takes a lot of time and like takes a lot of effort creating a website sometimes, like finding the right narrative and like having it influencers like and paying them like tons of money. So I have some methods to make money without doing that much of stuff. So this is like I did it on PawnSwap before. If you are my subscriber, you know that. So this coin looks very good and it's been there like a day. So this is not a scam or anything like that. So I'm just going to recreate it on Raydium directly and people will think this is the right one. And sometimes you when you copy a token from migration process, it's like you own the token and like if the volume of that thing is like surpasses the real one's volume and you own that stuff, this is like on Solana, this is just like a hard place to make money. So sometimes you gotta play dirty, and this one is like kind of dirty, but like also just taking an opportunity. It's nothing weird about it. So I'm doing the thing that I did on Pump.fun before. I'm just copying every information from the metadata. It's on the soul scan, it's on IPFS thing. I got everything there, like the description, website, whatever they have, whatever they put there. And images, which is like the most important thing. I got the link of the image. I copy and paste it and I download it to my local storage for my further use. I'll create the token with the same image. It's just download it. And now let me put that link if I miss it. I don't have to look back at the metadata. They got the Twitter account. I can't see they have like a website or anything. Is that a what is that? Let me check that. The community has been bleached, but it's almost. Well, still I could just like put it right there. I'm gonna think about it if I'm gonna use it or not. Maybe it's like this problem is like on my end. I have no idea. So let's do it in my way. Like let's copy a token, which is almost migrating. So I'm using this tool. This tool is like very legit. They have everything in their whitelisted. They got like tons of functions, and I'm gonna use like most of them. So what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna upload image. I already downloaded it, and I'm gonna put a description. That's it. It's just like really easy work. And authority options, I'm choosing all of them because I gotta make sure my coin looks just like it came from Bonk. It has to be every authority options has to be like revoked, because they're like that on Bonk token. If you don't do that, snipers will notice that and they won't buy anything. So just like copy and paste it to your account. It will be like maybe it's my end. I don't know. I don't know. It's not that important. If the token runs right like really good, I could change it later, like on Dexscreener update. So I created the token and I could just look at it on Soul Scan with this pop-up. Very easy thing to do, right? Let me just get it into full screen. So let's click on that, and as I'm seeing it, like it's minted and it's a success transaction, so it's good to go. I can just create the liquidity. To create a liquidity, they got like their interface. If you created a token there, like it will show up right away. So Gork, our token is Gork, and you gotta make it like first one to change it and make it 269, something like that. The same amount of tokens added to liquidity on Let's Bonk.fun. So I'm gonna put like 0.2 really small amounts of liquidity to like for price impact. If anyone buys that token, it will look better, you know. So it's not like I'm not going to choose Pump Swap because it's not going to be on Pump.fun. So there's no point of choosing the Pump Swap section. So I just confirmed that transaction. But please make sure you like, subscribe, and turn your notifications on. I hate to do this, but like I really need your help to grow my channel and give you more information about launching tokens and different strategies. I got like tons of things. So this is like a two choice. You can just burn your tokens, all of them, which I'm going to do, or you could just like burn your liquidity pool. Then you can use your tokens for educational purposes. But I just like burn my tokens, and I've seen this thing before. Some developer was like, he burned all of his token and his market cap went viral, and it works for me as well. As I'm seeing it, like I got like multiple buys, and these buys are like almost like $200 worth. So I made like really good amount of money if I'm going to be throw my liquidity, but I'm against it, you know. I'm just showing you how quick it is to make money on Let's Bonk.fun by using this migration method. But I'm not suggesting you to do that. Instead of that, you could actually market your coin and surpass the volume of the real one, and then the investors of the real one could buy your token if you got like time. But like this is like a pretty fast version of doing the stuff. But this is your choice. I'm against doing like withdrawing liquidity. I'm not going to do that. But when you copy a token that almost migrated, most of the time, like lots of snipers are just sniping it, and then people see it. If you put like low liquidity, they see that price impact and they ape right away. So that's it for me today. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop a comment. I'll answer all of them. And if you have like any, anything else, just you could join our group, and we have a great community there. People who will understand, will answer your questions. That's it for me. Peace out.